The participants are
Category Girls, RV Yogi and Amaira Garwal, KG2A, Kavya Sharma, KG2B, Navya Vyas, KG2C. Category Boys, Ruan Bali, KG2A, Yuvraj Keer, KG2B, and from KG2C, Daksh Patidar and Avik Goswami. Let's hear it again for the participants.
On your mark, set.
Let's once again hear it for the grooming tactics.
A place full of culture and festivals. A place full of forts and palaces. A place whose sand is gold. A place whose deserts come alive when its dancers take the center stage. These lines are not sufficient to define the beauty and art of this colorful place called Rajasthan. Chirmi, perform the Chirmi dance, which I believe will make your spirit
awesome performance. The elegance, the poise, and the grace, I believe, has mesmerized each one of us. A big round of applause for our Chirmi dancers. Again, back to the tracks. Bees like nectar. Bees make honey. In the garden of St. Raphael's Academy, we have the buzzing bees. On the track are the participants from KG2, ready and steady for the honey bee race. A couple race where the participants will pick the basket, collect the nectar from flowers, and run to the goal. The participants are
Debanshi Mukhopadhyay, Trishika Solanki, KG2A, Jilmil Sagore, KG2B, Navya Ganglani, KG2C. Boys category, Shivansh Setia, KG2A, Prince Verma, KG2B, Arnav Bele, KG2C, along with Arav Khandelwal from KG2C.
Great effort by the honeybees. Let's once again hear it for the honeybees. The modern era is an era of superheroes. He-Man, Batman, Superman. The favorite of all, Spider-Man. It's time to witness the instincts of our little Spider-Man. Yes, they are ready to display their stamina today on the track. This is a couple race. The Spider-Men run towards the center where they have to untie the bonds and rescue the girls. And again, they will run to the finishing point. So let's hear it for the Spider-Men and the girls.
The participants are Sanvi Nagar, Kanishka Mahavar from Greenhouse, Alpana Haryale, Orange House, Zara Khan, Yellow House. Boys category, Gravat Agnihotri, Blue House, Harsh Chauhan, Greenhouse, Utkarsh Chaudhary, Orange House, Shauri Saxena, Yellow House. Let's render a huge round of applause to encourage the superheroes.
On your mark, set.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins a web any size, catches thieves just like flies. Look out, here comes the Spider-Man. Is he strong?
Once again, a huge round of applause for our Spider-Men and the girls.
Dance makes life move. Dance brings happiness all around. It is a poetry with arms and legs. We have our blooming buddies of KG2 presenting before you the Shoogie Woogie. Their moves are too cute to describe in normal words. So, put your hands together for the Shoogie Woogie dancers.
Je ne suis pas un panda, je vous l'ai bien dit 100 fois. Je ne mange pas de bambou, moi je fais wawa partout. Je ne suis pas un panda, j'ai peur au rhum comme ça. Plongez-moi dans un bain chaud, vous verrez, je suis un chouchou. Si tu veux de moi, je serai ton wawa. Tu me trouveras là, toujours près de toi.
great performance by the little twinkles of KG2. Let's give them a huge round of applause. Occasionally in life, there are those moments of unutterable fulfillment which cannot be completely explained by those symbols called words. Their meanings can only be articulated by the audible language of the heart. Here is the moment to recognize the achievements of the winners of the events. I humbly call upon the guest of honor, Mr. Suresh Nair, to do the honors.
We have the results of the cat race. The third place goes to Harshli Jain, Nursery A. Harshli Jain, Nursery A, third place. Second place, Priyanshi Solanki, Nursery A. And third place, Shavni Thorat, Nursery B. I repeat, third place, Harshli Jain. Second place, Priyanshi Solanki. And the first place, Shavni Thorat. Thank you, sir. Next, the results of Fisherman Race. At the third position, we have Priyanshi Jamra and Ujjwal Parmar, Nursery A. Second place, Arav Mandle and Devashri Thorat, Nursery A. The first position is backed by Mohit Kayas and Shiksha Chauhan, Nursery B. Those are the fishermen on the victory stand. First position, Mohit Kayas and Shiksha Chauhan, Nursery B. Second position, Arav Mandle and Devasri Thorat, Nursery A. And Priyanshi Jamra, Ujjwal Parmar bagged the third position. Let's hear it for the winners. Thank you, sir. Next, we have the results of the Honey Bunny race. At the third position, we have Avni Jain and Ane Joshi, KG1B. At the second position, we have Paridhi Chauhan and Hamad Kazi, KG1C. And the first position, Kanika Solanki and Pratyush Singh Chauhan, KG1A. First position, Kanika Solanki and Pratyush Singh Chauhan. Second, Hamad Kazi and Paridhi Chauhan. Third, Ane Joshi and Avni Jain. Congratulations, winners. Let's give a huge round of applause for our winners. Thank you, sir. We have the results for the Get Ready for Party. The winners are, at the third position we have Avik Goswami and Navya Vyas, KG2C. Second position, Yuvraj Keer and Amaira Garwal. First position, Daksh Patidar and Kavya Sharma. Get ready for the party. The winners are first position Daksh Patidar and Kavya Sharma. Second, Amaira Garwal and Yuvraj Keer. Third, Avik Goswami and Navya Vyas. These are the winners of the Get Ready for Party. Let's once again applaud them. Thank you, sir. Now the results of the Honey Bee race. At the third position we have Debanshi Mukhopadhyay and Shivan Setia. At the second position Navya Ganglani and Arav Khandelwal. First position Trishika Solanki and Prince Verma. Honeybee race, first position Trishika Solanki and Prince Verma. Second, Navya Ganglani and Arav Khandelwal. Third, Debanshi Mukhopadhyay and Shivansh Setia. Congratulations, winners. Once again, let's hear it for the winners.